Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 11th day of July 2025. We just got finished the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by a number of folks. And you'll recognize our good friend, the strong candle indicator, which is only available at SamuraiDayTrading.com. You know, the market was a little slow at the start of this. This happens to be the start of a larger chart move. So we're expecting this to go relatively well and probably more than PVI would indicate. We're expecting the next candle to be somewhere between 40 and 60 ticks in length. And maybe this ATM is going to be a little short, but we're going to go for our normal 16, 30s, and 61s as we do most days. Now, it appears to be a little bit big compared to what the PVI is, but again, this is a larger chart move and expect it to go a little bit further. So we'll just wait for this candle to push up, give us a little bit of a retrace, and then we'll take it short the other way. So let's see how it all worked out. I need it to gap down, but I expect that this is going to does retrace a bit. All right, don't need it to retrace that much. However, I somehow I could have sworn we got this off the body of the candle. So I'm expecting a little bit more of a retrace than that from how it did in the live room. So if I can remember properly. I'm pretty sure we got this off the candle. It's not going to make any difference one way or another. But we do like to get in with as little risk as possible. There we go. So we'll do this at regular speed. This is exactly how it was in the live market. So when we get picked up, we'll speed it up a little bit so we're not here all day. But again, our friend, the strong candle indicator, we had a strong candle indicator up here, but it was trading right into a brick wall. So we wait till the market closes over the brick walls, gives us a nice same indicator, and then we'll hit it short. Let's put the stop where it belongs. And now we just sit and wait. We'll speed the market up a little bit. It was pretty quick at this point. So it's never fun when it double retraces, but first target's out, stop comes all the way down to here. So we have no risk on the trade anymore. Now, if it comes back and takes us out at break even, we'll put another order on. So we'll get another order ready. I don't think it does. I think it just kind of blasts down here, but if I remember right. So first target's out, we de-risk the trade. Second target's out. Now we see if we can catch our runner down to the 60s. Like I say, this is a pretty big move. It's off the 60-minute chart. And boom, 60s are out just like that. Now that trade was worth 610 US dollars and took less than 5 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 600 US dollars in less than 5 minutes, come join us in the live trading room today at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. God bless you. We look forward to seeing you next time.